Hey there, are you looking to make a profit using only free indicators and a simple strategy? Look no further. To get started, head over to the tradingview.com and open it up. Next, pick a chart that suits your style. It can be Forex, crypto, or any other markets you're interested in. Choose a time frame that works for you. Anything from a quick 1-minute chart to more long-term daily chart. Once you've got your chart set up, you're ready to dive into this easy-to-follow strategy that's help you turn a profit using free indicators. So let's jump right in and start making those winning trades. Let's get started by locating the indicators we need for this strategy. Head over to the TradingView indicator section and we're going to search for a couple of specific indicators. The first indicator is called MMA and oscillator. Once you see it in the search results, click on it to add it to the chart. Now that we've had the indicator on the chart, we need to fine-tune the settings to make sure it works best for our strategy. Alright, now let's pause for a moment before we continue with our second indicator. We've got an exciting challenge for you that could land you some fantastic rewards. We want to hear about your favorite indicators and why they work best for you. Here's the deal. If you share the name of 2 indicators that you love in the comments below, you'll be entered into a drawing for free lifetime VIP access to our Signal channel. 2 lucky winners will be chosen. So don't hesitate to jump in and share your insights. Who knows, you might just be one of the winners walking away with some awesome resources. So go ahead, drop the comment and let's hear about those winning indicators. Good luck. Now let's get back to building our trading strategy. Head over to the indicator section once more. This time we're on the hunt for an indicator called MACD Leader Lazy Bear. Once you find it in the search results, click on the indicator name to add it to your chart. Now it's there. You'll need to tweak some settings to make sure it works just right for our strategy. Follow along as I guide you through the changes we'll be making in the settings section. Now let's walk through the process of making profitable buy trades using this strategy. A successful buy trade requires several conditions to align. Here's what you should be looking for. First, ensure the price is above all moving averages. Then watch for a pullback in the price towards the moving average lines. Next, wait for the price to break out from the most recent swing high in the market. Lastly, as a final confirmation, check the MACD leader line is above the midline of the MACD leader indicator. So, once you observe all these conditions coming together, it's time to enter a buy trade with confidence. Remember to set your stop loss at slightly below the recent swing low or one of the moving average lines. And then aim for a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 to help manage your risk while maximizing potential profits. Now it's time to explore how to make profitable sell trades using this strategy. A solid sell trade involves multiple factors aligning perfectly. Here's what you should be on the lookout for. First, ensure the price is below all moving average lines. Next, watch for a pullback in the price towards the moving average lines. Then, wait for the price to break out from the most recent swing low in the market. Finally, as a confirmation, check the MACD leader line as below the midline of the indicator. So, once you spot all these signs coming together, it's time to enter a sell trade. Also, don't forget to set your stop loss slightly above the recent swing high or one of the moving average lines. After that, aim for a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Hold on, we've got a parting gift for you. Take a moment to watch the recommended video on the screen. It's filled with fresh insights and strategies that can elevate your trading ability even further. Happy trading!